Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Shut down the Chromebook completely and disconnect the charger and all accessories. Place the device on a clean, flat surface with good lighting. Put on an anti-static wrist strap and ground yourself to avoid damage. Use a Phillips #0 screwdriver and keep a small container ready for screws. Note the battery model printed on the label so you can order a replacement if needed. Remove any micro SD cards or SIM trays before you start opening the case. Flip the Chromebook over and remove all visible screws securing the back panel. Keep track of screw locations and lengths in your container or diagram. Use a plastic opening tool to pry the back panel gently at the seam. Work around the edges slowly to release the plastic clips without cracking them. Locate the battery and identify the multi-pin connector that joins it to the motherboard. Use a fingernail or plastic tool to lift the connector straight out, avoiding side force on the pins. Remove the battery mounting screws, which are often 3 to 5 screws total. Place those screws in your container and note any that are different lengths. If adhesive holds the battery, lift slowly using a plastic pull tab or card to separate it. Do not bend or puncture the battery pack while removing it. Position the replacement battery and secure it with the original screws. Reconnect the battery connector firmly to the motherboard and confirm the Chromebook powers on before replacing the back panel and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.